ANE brings a new era in state-of-the-art two-way wireless technology to the domestic and small business markets, with over 25 years' experience within the security industry. ANE's new products allow the customer to be in control of their security systems at all times, allowing full access and viewing capabilities from their smartphones as well as security devices. ANE's new range of products allow a bespoke system to be tailored using CCTV fire, safety and home automation devices and more, ensuring your safety and security is in our hands. Call ANE Security to see how we can help you.